July 3, 2023. My free birthday celebration, Year 1, at San Miguel Elementary School, San Miguel, Iriga City, with 458 pupils. My deepest gratitude to all our sponsors, donors, officers, members, and volunteers. To the local government of Iriga City, headed by Mayor Rex D. Oliva and Sanglian Panglungsod, for donating the 200 packs of snacks, while the 300 packs shouldered by our team. To the CCDRMO Iriga City, Attorney PM Shai Pardo Noble, Honorable Pochokoy Oliva, San Miguel Elementary School headed by Ma'am Maribel C. Vargas, to all the teachers and non-teaching staffs, pupils, and parents who attended, to my family who always there to support the advocacy of my daughter, Barbian Floriano. Thank you so much. Nourishing little hearts, empowering children